These are my traffic signals using the small computer, which is the microbit. And I started off with a mechanical set of traffic signals, and microbit is on a robot bit servo controller. The servo's in here, and this mechanical traffic signals goes from green to red, and it's easily used when a robot with AI vision can easily sense the colour of the signals. The alternative ones are from Kitron, and the microbit is on the base, and it only connects to one aspect. That is, there's red, yellow and green. And I've progressed from this one to using the bit to pi. And the bit to pi looks like this. And the microbit sits on top. See if I can just put it round the other way. The microbit sits on top here. And you can then use Raspberry Pi hats, and the microbit drives it. So there is a mapping using wires to connect the GPIO bus of microbit to the GPIO bus of Raspberry Pi. And instead of just having one aspect, I can get 4 aspects. I can put these in north, south, east and west, so I cover the full intersection. So just looking at this one, it fits on here. And I've got a complete working set. So over here, we've got a Raspberry Pi hat here. There's a microbit computer, and all the wiring for each of the signal lights is connected via these patch wiring. And over here we have the PiTraffic hat, which was originally designed for the Raspberry Pi. And here you can see that all 4 aspects are working. And right on the other side. Now the interesting thing about this is that you cannot have the LEDs or the LED array on microbit working at the same time. So you have to switch the LEDs off, and then you have full control of more of the Raspberry Pi GPIO pins. So there you have it. And if I press button A, I put this into an emergency mode where I just flash the, let's see if we can do that. Now we're flashing. So button A, and in addition to this emergency mode, so all lights are flashing together, all the yellow lights. In addition to that, there's a push button for a pedestrian and a buzzer on board.